In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cat Bitmoji on Snapchat. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Snapchat app and then right here at the top left-hand corner tap at your profile picture and then hit at that outfit icon. It shows you up different costumes and all you have to do is just scroll down until you find costumes. Here it would be just after a workout. Here you can find costumes and now there you can scroll down until you find the cat costume. You can select between that one and black one and then just hit on save to save that Bitmoji. I hope this video helped you out, guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.